a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with the voiceover, honey. It's been a minute since I did a voiceover, but today, since this video is gonna be a little different, I decided to pop in. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I appreciate it, sis. So, okay, y'all. So right now, this unit is a deep wave wig. I'm showing you guys the waves, honey. Okay, so the company asked me to try to do the skunk trend, the skunk stripe trend, honey. Okay, so I decided I would give it a go. Okay, so I am going to be bleaching this hair, and I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys so you can see what I'm doing, and I tell you what I'm doing. So right here I am using 40 volume developer with the BW2 powder, and I mixed that up, and then I'm just gonna start bleaching, y'all. Honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. I had watched a few videos and I was like, okay, my motto is, if they can do it, I can do it. And that's what I always tell y'all. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? Because I am nobody's professional in any capacity, honey. So I had watched Slade by Jordan's video, and he said to make sure you separate the hair. And I wish I would have actually did it differently and put it in the middle, but now that I have it on the side, I can also have like a little peekaboo instead of a skunk stripe whenever I want to style this hair differently. So yeah, that's just basically what I'm doing. I'm gonna apply that, and then I'm gonna put some foil on the hair, and also make sure you brush through the bleach so it is evenly distributed. So I'm gonna do that as well. And then I let that bleach stay on for about 20 minutes, and then I washed it out and let it sit in some purple shampoo for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna show myself putting the purple shampoo on it, but I'm not gonna show like the sitting, as well as I'm not gonna show the sitting here. So yeah, that is basically all I want to tell you. The rest of this is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch it and get into this video. Let me know if you like these sort of videos, and if you do, and if you want me to start doing more videos like this, then make sure you hit that like button, honey. Hit it, girl. Hit that like button. And yeah, I'll just see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gon'
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright honey, so we're gonna get into this color and stuff in a little bit, okay? We're gonna get there, but first let me give you all the details about this unit. So this unit was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Honey, Beauty Forever wanted your girl to get outside her comfort zone, okay? They was like, can you do this? Can you do this? And I'm like, yeah, girl, I think I can do this. And then I was telling my husband, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, but like I said, we'll get into that. So the unit is their deep wave 13x4 lace wig. It is 24 inches long and is 150% density. I am so glad that it says 150% density. You the real MVP, Beauty Forever, okay, girl? You the real MVP. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link that they sent me and give you guys some more details. So it says Beauty Forever realistic 13x4 lace wig, small deep wave hair, black wigs, human hair, lace front wigs with the baby hair. And this is a 13x4, so I'm gonna throw that out there so you guys know that. And it comes in 14 to 26 inches, but as I stated, I personally have this unit in 24 inches. So I'm looking for some more details. Okay, so this is hair color, natural color, and then it tells the lengths that we already know, and it says small deep wave. And I want to keep saying that because, honey, when I took old girl out of the packaging, I was like, oh my god, do I want to dye her? Like, the hair is so pretty. It was really small deep waves, like really small. It says cap size is average and slightly bleached knots, but you guys did see, I hope I put that in the video, that I did decide to bleach the knots a little more, but it did come slightly bleached, and it does say slightly. Pre-plucked natural hairline. They didn't lie, honey, because I did not touch the hairline whatsoever. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this unit. And I am looking at it on the site, and the picture of the hair is exactly how I got this unit. And then they have pictures of people wearing the hair, and it basically looks exactly like this. So they ain't lying about nothing, honey. Okay, so shout out to them. Okay, so let me go ahead and talk a little bit about this blonde patch. So it has been a trend to do the skunk stripe thing. I do remember this being a trend not too long ago, like maybe a year and a half ago or 2 years ago or something like that, where there'll be just like the blonde streaks in the front. This is basically the same thing, okay? But they do it with other colors other than just the blonde. Now I'm seeing like the pinks, the blues, the grays, you know, all of that, and they calling it the skunk stripe, and it's now trendy on TikTok, or it may not still be. TikTok isn't really my thing. I go on there, but I'm not somebody that's constantly on there. So I don't know. Somebody tell me down below in the comments. But anyway, so I did decide to do it, and I doing it on this texture hair was a bit more challenging in my opinion, because as you guys know, with the wavy hair, which leads me into my next point, this hair does tangle a little bit. Wavy hair, curly hair, especially the deeper the wave or whatever, the more it's gonna tangle a little bit. So I want to throw that out there so you can't say I didn't tell you, girl. You can't say I didn't warn you. And it did shed a little bit. But yeah, it was sort of a challenge for me because I honestly have never bleached hair before. I bleached knots. I've dyed hair, but I've never bleached hair. So this was a first for me, and I'm not mad at the outcome. Y'all let me know what you think. But I was really worried about doing this. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It is, in my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so do with that what you want to do with that, girl. I can only speculate, but I've adjusted the straps and it's still a little loose. So I would definitely say this unit is more so on the big head friendly side than not. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons about this unit, then please continue to watch. So my main and probably my only con with this unit is the fact that it is a 13x4, and I wish it was a 13x6 just because of how I wanted to part this unit for the style that I was going for. And I feel like, you know, you can see width right here, And maybe I shouldn't have bleached. Maybe I should have bleached less hair right here and less hair on this side, so I would have that to cover it. But because I want that blonde part to be in the front. So that is like my biggest con with this unit. I was gonna say that it was the density, but y'all, they like, cause up at the top, if it's not like combed out, especially like after you wet it, you can kind of see the wefts. So I want to throw that out there as well with this unit. But they do say it's 150% density, and to me, that's what she gives. Like, so they ain't lie. Okay, so shout out to you once again. Now, my pros with this unit, honey, is a whole different thing, girl. I love the waves of this unit. I love this deep wave texture. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love how easy it was to lift this hair. It wasn't like super, super hard whatsoever. I think I left it on there. I was gonna do like 30 minutes and I was like, that might not be a good idea, girl. And I only left it on there for 20 minutes instead. And I feel like it lifted really, really nicely. Like as soon as I was basically putting it on, I could already see it starting to lift. So I love that for me. I love also how easily the knots were to bleach. Like they were really, really easy. I love the hairline of this unit because that just gave me something else that I did not have to do. And yeah, overall, I just think the unit is the look. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. And you know, if you're afraid of color and you looking at me like, girl, I don't do color. I can't do that blonde right there. Like you, I don't do that. Luckily, this wig did not come like this. This unit came completely black as not black, a natural brown color, whatever color that is, child. It came naturally that color. So whether you want to do this style or not, you know, you have that option. But I would definitely recommend this unit. I think she's a look, she's a vibe, and I think that they ain't lie. They didn't lie about anything. So I love that, and yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, honey, let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you're feeling the skunk stripe trend. Let me know down below. Holla at your girl, okay? Because I wants to know. Also, other ways you can do this is to do a peekaboo color. It doesn't have to be like right where you part the unit. You know what I mean? You can do a peekaboo color where it's just kind of like underneath the hair, especially if you're somebody that's kind of scared of having that super light root. I know that can be intimidating. There are different ways you can do this. I mean, honey, just get creative. I am going to be trying to get in my creative zone. Shout out to Beauty Forever for pulling that out of me to even just like start doing it. It's been so long since I've dyed hair and done anything outside of my comfort zone. So shout out to them for that. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this where I'm doing little extra things, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're not already subscribed, girl, I don't even know what you're doing with your life. I have no idea what you're doing with your life. Click that subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.